Best 3 VPN for the Android devices. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will talk about the best 3 VPN for your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first one is NordVPN, which is best for security and speed. NordVPN offers strong encryption, analogs policy, and a fast server for smooth streaming and browsing. It also includes extra security features like malware protection and an ad blocker. So to install the application, again, you have to open a Play Store in your device, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for NordVPN. There it is. If you want to view the reviews and all of this information, scroll through it and you can view all of the review. And if you want to install it, tap on the install button. The second one is ExpressVPN, which is best for streaming and privacy. ExpressVPN is known for its ultra-fast speeds, which is easy to use in your Android application and also provides strong privacy features. It also has a reliable kill switch and secure servers for bypassing the geo restrictions. Again, head towards the search bar and here search for ExpressVPN. Here it is, tap on it. Scroll down to see all of the remarks and reviews, and if you want to install it, tap on install. And the third one or the last one is Surfshark, which is a best budget option. Surfshark is an affordable and allows unlimited device connection. It also offers strong securities, GPS spoofing on Android, and no locks policy, making it great for the privacy conscious user. So if you like to install that, tap on the search bar and here search for Surfshark. Here it is, tap on it, scroll through it and view all of the ratings and reviews, and here tap on install if you like to install it in your device. So these are the best 3 VPN that you can use in your Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.